Hi, this is Valary and today's recipe is green goop.
My name is Michael, and I'm from upstate New York. This is my wife, Valary. She's from Kenya. When I was 30 years old, my mother gave me an incredible gift. This homemade cookbook, which took her years to produce, contains over 400 family recipes. One morning, after Mom passed away, we decided to honor her by preparing every recipe in that book. To make it interesting, we thought Valary should be the chef. Can a Kenyan transplant conquer her mother-in-law's opus? Let's find out. This is Valary Cooks the Book.
Okay, here is the list of ingredients you'll need to make green goop. You'll need 1 large package of instant pistachio pudding mix, 15 ounces of crushed pineapple, drained and saved the juice, 17 ounces of fruit cocktail, also drained, 9 ounces of Cool Whip, 2 cups of milk, and some miniature marshmallows.
Yeah, this is a real healthy recipe, babe, as you can tell.
Well, we have fruit.
It does have what used to be fruit. I haven't had this in like 25 years. This is definitely a product of a bygone era.
So would you call this a salad?
Yes.
A fruit salad.
Mom actually put this in the salad section of the book.
Oh.
Sort of a fruit salad.
Oh, it could also be a dessert though, right? Because it seemed to have a lot of sweet ingredients.
Yes. Yeah, this can be a dessert. We are classifying it as a side dish. It's not something to be taken seriously. It has 0 nutritional value, but this will keep for decades. You could make a batch and eat it 50 years from now, and it'll probably be fine. Time for a recap. Please feel free to pause the video or take a screenshot.
So this is the pudding mix, and I'm gonna mix this. I'm gonna pour the milk in it. Oh, look at that beautiful color. And the instructions on the box says I should use a whisk and beat it for 2 minutes, but I'm gonna use a mixer on low. I think that's pudding consistency. This looks really good, right? Okay, now I see why it's called green goop. Okay, so we are supposed to mix pudding and pineapple juice. So here's our pudding. It's set now. Approximately 5 minutes is all we needed to get it to set in the refrigerator. So we're gonna mix in the pineapple juice. And something that Michael asked, which is kind of interesting, it's like, why would we drain the pineapple juice if we're gonna end up mixing it in? But maybe it has something to do with the consistency. So our fruit cocktail here is already drained. This actually looks really good. I like the color of pistachio. It smells good too. It actually smells like pistachio. This is the crushed drained pineapples. This is a big serving, huh? So here's the Cool Whip. It's very light. I don't know, I expect it to be heavy. Whoever created this, God bless them. We're gonna mix it in together. Oh, that looks so good. I'm actually kind of upset Michael's never made this for me. It has everything I like. Pineapple, whipped cream, and pudding. How simple was that? I think this is the easiest recipe I've ever made. So once you mix it in, it's up to you if you want to add in some marshmallows. I'm gonna add in a few miniature marshmallows just because I don't want too much of it, and we don't need it to go a long way because it's just us two. This is it. We just need to refrigerate it, I guess, to cool. There's not really a time limit of how long they should be refrigerated, so I'm thinking maybe should do half an hour. We'll be back in half an hour. So it's been approximately half an hour. We let the green goop settle in the refrigerator for about that much time. Something we noticed, it's not as green as we thought it would be.
Yeah, not as green as I remember. We put it in the freezer for a little bit too, to try and get it to solidify.
Yeah. So this is the consistency and this is the fast taste. I'm gonna try it. Let's see. Oh, okay. I actually really like this. It tastes amazing. This is excellent. As in, obviously a part of me is kind of worried because of Cool Whip. I don't know what's in there, but it just mixes in all the flavors I like. I love pineapple, of course. Who doesn't like the taste of Cool Whip? It tastes like whipped cream. And yeah, please try this.
Yeah, Cool Whip is, it's not farm to table, but it is factory to table. So,
Yeah.
This is fun food, folks. It's, as we said before, this isn't really health food, but kids love it, and Valerie loves it.
Yeah. I thought the consistency was going to be a little bit more dense, not runny.
I think if you don't include the pineapple juice, you'd get a more dense consistency if you're looking for that. But hey, have you forgotten something, babe?
Oh, do you want to? Oh, yes. I even forgot to give you to try. Here you go.
Thank you.
Something?
I've been waiting 25 years.
I know.
It's so good.
Yeah.
It's so yummy. I think it needs to set maybe longer than a half hour.
Yeah.
I think it needs to set in the fridge for a couple hours. It's still a little runny, but if you want more of a custard consistency, let it sit for longer.
But I like the taste. It's amazing. It's a nice dessert.
It's so good.
I would call it a dessert more than a salad.
It's surprisingly good. Good job, babe. NASA would be proud.
Yes. So that is all, folks. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you happen to try the recipe, let me know what you think about it. See you next time.